He's out here living life. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Up. Go on, I have to go. Gotta go back to Edmonton to pick up my FRS. Let's go. Go on. Oh my god, bro. This thing is the hardest. Come on. So like I said, heading back to Edmonton to go grab my FRS from my friend Oscar, who works at Cal Tire conveniently, and he's done an oil change as well as replaced all the tires that need to be replaced and align my wheels. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Good morning.
How do you pronounce your name?
Bertrand. Yeah, Birdy, that's it.
Oh, okay. That's your mom?
Yeah, my mom and little dog.
Oh, Mr. Journalist.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Do you take pictures? What do you do?
All the above. Video, photography.
Yeah.
Just try to document daily life, you know?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Like thinking skills,
Yep.
like analytical skills, and a lot of other related skills.
Yeah, definitely.
Once you have those skills, you can use them because your mind is capable of thinking
Yes.
and carrying into understanding things. So as an artist, you must be somebody who is interested in a lot of things, man.
Well, that's it. It's like in this day and age, I like to say, I think we have enough scientists, we have enough mathematicians who are interested in that kind of stuff, right?
Yeah.
They'll go into becoming surgeons or accountants, but to be a real problem solver takes real creativity. And that's where artists and people who are I guess, yeah, what you were going on with, like people who know that they're in full control of their mind and all it is perspective and framing, you know?
And framing.
Yeah.
All right.
Like whatever situation you're in, there can be worse case scenarios, but it's how you like frame the situation in your own head, you know?
You got it right.
Yeah.
What we need are people who are able to identify a problem and come up with a solution.
Yeah, not like 5 more problems underneath that one, you know? It's become solution oriented.
Correct.
It doesn't only give us like a efficiency, right? It gives people like you an opportunity to make side hustle money, right?
That's
you know?
really
And
what
then,
it is.
dude, on top of this, doing this, you could do DoorDash, you can do Lyft on top of that.
So I have done it all, my friend.
Yeah, why not, right?
Yeah.
And also, like, what I say too is like your chronological age is different from your biological age. The more cultured you are, the more active you are, the more engaged or like more just conversing you are to other people. It's the more younger you are inside. Doesn't matter.
Oh, thank you so much.
Dude.
That's
what I get from you too. It's like you're living life, man, and I feel like you're probably, your biological age says you're probably early 30s. That's what I want to say.
No, I'm getting close to 60.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm
50,
saying, man. Yeah,
58,
oh, that's good, man. Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Like your statement was quite powerful to say, this day and age, if you know how to use the internet.
Yeah. For sure, man.
If you know how to browse through websites.
Yeah,
if
totally.
you know how to use your computer.
Yep.
You can earn a living.
And nowadays it's a Google search away too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
and also,
YouTube.
And also, when you talked about downloading stuff to YouTube, it helped me really understand why people download stuff. It's not just downloading for the sake of downloading. Yeah. It's downloading so that you can teach more people.
Absolutely,
certain things, and through that, you can also earn a living.
Yeah. In retrospect, like the videos that have done the best for me are the ones that I'm in service of people where I'm teaching, or I add in a mistake so that it's more relatable to them and they see I'm just human and I go through the same mistakes. Not everything is perfect kind of thing, you know?
That's very true. I like it. And also when you help people, you have you end up having a large following of people on YouTube. Like now, I used to take my vehicle to car places whenever I have a problem.
Yeah.
But now I discovered, oh my God, it's so easy. I can go on YouTube, put in some information. How do I fix this? How do I do this?
Yeah.
You find tons of videos.
Save yourself a couple hundred.
Correct. It's really important to communicate with other people through all these platforms that are available.
I say,
there is nothing that you will not find on YouTube.
That's true. That's very true.
It's crazy. And if those who do the normal formal businesses, if they don't do something now, they will end up with nobody going with their vehicles for repairs. Because the majority of people now, if they have a problem, you ask them, did you guys Google? Did you check on Google?
Yeah.
And you hear somebody say, oh, I never thought about it. They check, they find a solution, done.
Yeah.
You may end up paying $100 for something that will cost you less than $10.
Yeah, a Canadian Tire, pick up the bulb.
Yeah, it will walk you through.
Yeah.
How you remove this, how you remove this, what you need to remove this. Done.
Yeah. No, that's cool, man. Yeah.
It's really technology. So which exit do you want us to
I
take?
think you do take this one, yeah. Just as long as you go to the front part of it.
Oh, I see. The eastern side.
Yeah, where the H&M is, like the big circle.
Oh, I see. They tell you, oh, I missed my bus.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed my flight.
Oh, amazing.
But I need to go as fast as possible. You say, okay, the fastest that I can do is between 2 hours and 45 minutes. They say, oh yeah, I'll be able to really get to do my meetings. Oh, that's fine. Let's go.
Gotcha.
Jump in, take them to Edmonton, drop them off, and come back. What sucks is that when you come back, you won't get somebody who is coming back here.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So it's not a waste of a trip kind of thing?
Yeah, you find it's not worth it. But as long as you make your customer happy, who was hysterical and I don't want to miss my bus. I don't want to miss my bus. I said, take it easy.
Yeah.
We're taking you there.
Dang.
And we got there when the bus was just about to leave.
Wow.
Oh, and she really appreciated it because
amazing, yeah.
She thought she had really missed the bus.
Yeah, I think actually that might be the bus stop, this thing.
Oh, this bus stop.
Yeah, I hope. Yeah, cool, man.
My brother, I learned something from you, bro.
Dude,
I'll try to look around and see how I can use the internet, man.
Please, appreciate the talk, man. You enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too, man.
There's
nice travel.
Honestly, there's some meetings in this world that happen to exist for a reason, and this is the stars aligning. So
correct.
Yeah,
and
man.
I have your card.
Yeah, exactly. Check out the stuff. Definitely, man. 5 stars, man.
5 stars for you.
Thank you, bro. What a nice gentleman, man. I feel empowered. So you guys may be wondering, what is my answer to heading over to Edmonton by myself? Yeah, it's this. One of Canada's answers to the missing Greyhound, the e-bus.
I was gonna come in looking for you. I'm sorry I'm late.
Hey, don't be. It's okay. It's okay. Things happen.
had some issues.
It is what it is. Yeah, no worries.
Do you make a phone call or anything? Did they tell you?
I did. I was just concerned that I missed the bus.
Well, yeah, no, exactly.
Oh, I got that. Sorry.
Marvelous, great.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Hey, appreciate it.
Sorry, we're gonna figure we're about a half an hour.
It's all good, man. Appreciate.
On up to Edmonton. Don't hesitate to come up to the front of the coach when you feel it's safe to do so, and let me know. I'll do my best to help sort things out for you.
right here is where I blew up the tire. Now if you're wondering, the bus itself was pretty spacious. Good AC, free Wi-Fi with double outlets. Alright, appreciate it. Very much. Have a good day. So we are Southgate. This is a mall, I guess. I'm just gonna let Oscar know I'm here. Wait, I see Silver Beer's over there. That's probably him. I'm booking. Yo, yo! What's up? Damn! Yo, what up, bro? Thanks, man.
Yeah, I was like, I need to pick my friend up. And they're like, all right.
Well, Mr. Oscar, appreciate all. Thanks, homie. Here she is. And his friends were saying, like, whose is this compared to this guy? You know what? Stock FRS says, like, I'd recommend them to anybody for their reliability. All around, like, good driving experience, you know? Except for, like, if it looks like this.
You can take off that, I put that on there.
I was actually gonna keep it, but whatever, yeah. No, that's cool.
Okay, yeah.
Look at that service.
Gotta keep it clean.
Alright, anyone needs tires or, I guess any car work really. Cal Tire.
G10 Street.
In Edmonton. Oscar, appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow, man.
Yeah, literally.
This is gonna be your ride for the weekend, basically.
Rental cars being crazy now.
Thanks for everything. Alright, back to Calgary. I'm gonna just GPS, make sure, take the safest route out of here. That was not good. But I accept that as a bad omen, and I'm gonna just do a casual drive up, making her way back home. So after my friends at Cal Tire helped me kind of fix this up, she drives so much straighter than before. Like, look at that. And the thing is, like, I like to round down the hours, but from Red Deer, it's only an hour to Calgary, so not too bad of a drive, you know? Again, we're gonna take a quick stop in Red Deer to have some lunch at Toller's Bistro, which is this restaurant that my brother recommended me. Also, he just wants me to grab him some donuts from there. This is where my brother wanted me to go. Brother literally sent me from Calgary just to grab some donuts.
Oh,
so,
really?
yeah.
Oh, we're glad we have lots too.
Maybe I'll just do half a dozen.
Half a dozen?
Yeah.
One would you like?
I feel like just saying your far left 6. Yeah, all of these guys.
All those ones?
Yeah, that would be awesome. The reason why it's called Toller's Bistro, I think the owner of it owns a bunch of Tollers. Like, that's the breed of the dog. Yeah, let me show you what we got. This looks like vanilla, there's pistachio, this one's lavender. Actually has lavender in it. It's pretty dope. Figured, you know what? We'll just do some computer work over soup and coffee.
I'm still fly, let's go.
I want these lessons to stick around with you so long.
It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it. I'm free, can't nobody take me.
Yo, driven Vancouver 2022 prep. We got Oscar. What up, homie? Buddy from Edmonton. He is gonna be convoying with us as a second pilot to the FRS for the weekend. Kinda stole this guy from work right now. Lifting up the Supra, just because one of us is gonna drive it tomorrow, and for the whole 10-hour drive, it's gonna be a first. I just wanna make sure it's a comfortable ride up, you know, no complications on the way down. We do the regular stops, you know, like 3 hours to Golden, BC, another 3 hours from there to either Kamloops or Kelowna, and then Merritt, and then straight to Vancouver. So, like, yeah, it's not our first rodeo. But the Supra, for sure, like the side skirts dip lower than the rest of the kit, so that's one thing I wanna prevent. And right now, luckily for us, we're rocking the HKS lowering springs that are adjustable, so we can actually lower it or make it higher if we need to. In this case, monster truck. There's a reason why I effed up my Street Hunter kit. Oh yes, and also, we going live right now. Oh, that's pretty sweet on the...
Oh shit, yeah.
Interesting. Whoa, my God, it just ran out of batteries. We left him in the dark.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Everything, yo. Good night, guys, on Instagram. Let's make this higher and then get a rest.
I'm feeling happy, and moments ago I was only empty. What did you say?
Now we got the stream going on Twitch. Why not, right? Why not? Actually, it's the first time ever going live on Twitch. I mean, we're outside and the lighting's not the best. But hey.
Streaming on a toaster?
Yeah. On top of a garbage can. Come on, guys. That's how you do it. As I was about to doubt ourselves, we ran into our first problem. Actually, it's already midnight here, okay? We're only on the third wheel. Did she just ask how tall we were?
Yeah.
Oh, I like to say 5'8", but that's on the high end. What did you say?
I said 5'8".
Oh, okay. And yeah, we're relatively the same.
I think your hair just stands up taller.
Down the spanner inches.
Because we were using teens earlier and that was terrible.
Yeah, I'll just keep him in the glove box, bro.
Oh gosh. Well, at least she's okay.
Getting higher and higher. We almost there, guys. And then we'll just relax for the night. And then it's an early one for us tomorrow. 6 a.m. is my predicted leave time from Calgary to Vancouver. And of course, it's just going to be a casual drive, you know. If we have to stay in the right lane, we will. Avoid all tickets at all costs. And I kind of know the ride up. So yeah, we'll just take our time. Appreciate it, homie. Thank you.
In retrospect, I do it over and over, cause that's just how we met. There must be some complicated after effect to this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix, she said.